Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GA4 enhanced e-commerce tracking for dropshipping orders step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Analytics account. Select the property you want to configure. Click on the admin gear icon located in the lower left corner. Under the property column, click on Data Streams. Select the relevant data stream for your website. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurements section. Make sure Enhanced E-commerce is toggled on. Next, open your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container connected to your website. Click on the Variables section in the left menu. Scroll down to User-Defined Variables and click New. Name the variable e-commerce data layer. Set the variable type to Data Layer Variable. In the Data Layer navigate to the Tags section in Google Tag Manager. Click on New to create a new tag. Name your tag GA4 e-commerce tag. Choose Google Analytics GA4 event as the tag type. In the Configuration tag dropdown, select your GA4 configuration tag. In the Event Name field, enter Purchase. Under Event Parameters, click Add Row. In the Parameter Name field, enter Transaction_ID. In the Value field, select the corresponding data layer variable. Repeat this process for product ID, affiliation, and revenue. Set the triggering options to fire on the purchase event. Select existing trigger and choose the purchase trigger option. Click Save to finalize your tag configuration. Now, click on the Submit button in Google Tag Manager. Enter a descriptive name for your version description. Click Publish to make your changes live. Next, go back to Google Analytics. Navigate to the Reports section on the left menu. Click on the Monetization tab located under Reports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.